Hi everyone, I'm Gina with Country Family Values, and today we're going to be making egg salad. So I've got 3 eggs in some boiling water, and they've just now come to boil. And what I'm going to do is turn the heat off and put a lid on it and set the timer for 20 minutes. And the reason for that is because it seems like that's been the perfect combination so that they're not overcooked afterwards. Have you ever seen eggs where after they've cooked, like the next day or maybe even later, they have a greenish tint? And from what I've understood, that means they've been overcooked. And this seems to be the perfect method that I have found, that I've read about as well, to make the perfect eggs. So we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to drain the water off of them. I'm going to cover them with cold water. And I'm going to peel them in this cold water while the eggs are still hot. They just peel better usually. And you want to try to get that membrane when you're peeling them, because they peel better if you can get hold of that membrane. And of course I'm having trouble finding it. There we go. I like them better like that. Trying to get that membrane there because they peel better when you can. Works pretty good, didn't it? Okay. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons in here. Heaping tablespoons, I should say. Now I'm going to put some sweet relish in here. I like a little bit of onion, but you don't have to if you don't like onion. I like it minced up pretty good. And some mustard, just regular old yellow mustard. Give it a stir. And I'm going to put it on a piece of bread. And even though I usually like to eat rye bread, I really like egg salad on white bread. I know that's not the healthiest, but that's usually the best way. If you like that video, please like and subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be informed when other videos become available. And as always, thank you so much for watching.